And I don't know who needs to hear this, but nobody know Obeah you. You just not have no ambition, you just not work hard enough. Because why nobody not Obeah mission? You just overuse the word too much. Nobody no business with you. You not have no motion. You not do nothing for yourself. You not do nothing constructive. But people that really left decent people if you go there and come Obeah you for. What the benefit? What the gain? What them a try stop for you? Nothing, because you already not do nothing. It's like the people that Obeah want park car for stop. Oh my God, you want park yard, you not move, so them over there for you already park up. Make it make sense. We don't have no ambition, we don't know if you save, we don't know if you do nothing. We don't know if you budget, we don't know if you prioritize the right things, we don't know do nothing with no life. What people are over for? Come man, get it together, wrap it up. Me do one video similar to this already, you know, but me have to do it again. Nobody now over there, you know. We don't love talk about people are well down, people are doing this bad energy, bad spirit, when literally you get up every day, sit down on the corner.